In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore version history in Google Sheets so you can recover lost data, roll back unwanted changes, or simply see what your spreadsheet looked like at any point in the past. Version history is one of Google Sheets' most powerful yet underutilized features. It acts like a time machine for your data, automatically saving snapshots of your work every time you or a collaborator makes an edit. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, you need to open the Google Sheets document where you want to recover an earlier version. Whether you're working from your Google Drive, a shared link, or the Sheets home screen, just double-click the file to open it in your browser. Once you're inside the spreadsheet, take a moment to look at the very top of the interface. You'll see the traditional menu bar with File, Edit, View, and so on. Also note the area just below that, near the title of your document. That's where you'll spot a small piece of text that says something like, "Last edit was 10 minutes ago," or "Last edit was yesterday at 3 p.m. This is actually a clickable link, and it's your fastest shortcut into version history. Many people overlook it, but it's the most direct way to jump in without navigating through multiple menus. However, if you prefer the classic route, go ahead and click on File in the top menu. From the drop-down, hover over Version History, and then click See Version History. Both paths lead to the exact same panel, so use whichever feels most natural to you. Once you've clicked either the "Last edit was" text or navigated through File, you'll see the screen change. A panel slides in from the right side of your spreadsheet. This panel is the heart of version history, and it lists all the saved versions of your document, organized by date and time. At first glance, you'll see larger blocks labeled with dates, like today or yesterday, and sometimes the name of the person who made the edit. Clicking on any date label will expand that section to reveal the smaller, more granular changes that happened within that time frame. These are the individual saves, each representing a moment when Sheets automatically captured your work. This is where the real power lies. Instead of only seeing major milestones, you can browse through tiny incremental changes, like that one cell you edited 10 minutes ago, or the formula you deleted by accident. To preview a specific version, simply click on its timestamp. The main spreadsheet area will instantly update to show you exactly what the document looked like at that moment. You can scroll around, inspect cells, check formatting, and even see the data in charts or pivot tables exactly as they were. This preview is read only, so you won't accidentally alter anything, you're just looking back in time. When you've found the version that contains the data or layout you want to restore, look at the very top of the right-hand panel. There's a blue button that says Restore this version. Click it and a small confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you're sure you want to replace the current document with this older version. This is the point where you need to be cautious, because once you confirm by clicking Restore, your current spreadsheet will be overwritten. All changes made after that timestamp will be gone from this file, but don't panic. You can always undo that restore by going back into version history and restoring a later version again. Still, it's a good habit to pause and make sure you're not about to lose work you actually need. That brings us to a crucial pro tip that can save you from data loss. If you want to recover something from an older version without destroying your current edits, don't click Restore. Instead, look at the three-dot menu icon, often labeled as More Actions, next to the version you're interested in. Click that and choose Make a Copy. This will instantly create a brand new, separate Google Sheets file containing that old version, leaving your original document untouched. You can then open that copy and paste specific cells or sheets back into your main file, or just keep it as an archive. This is my go-to method whenever I'm recovering data from an older version, because it gives me complete control and eliminates the risk of overwriting anything. One more thing to keep in mind. If you open version history and see nothing, or if the panel is empty, there are usually two reasons. First, you need edit access to the document. If you're only a viewer or commenter, the version history is hidden from you. Second, the file must be saved in Google Sheets format, not an uploaded Excel file that hasn't been converted. If you've ever uploaded a Excel file directly to Drive and opened it in Sheets, it might not have full version history until you convert it by going to File, Save as Google Sheets. So always check your access level and file type if version history seems missing. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to restore version history in Google Sheets, whether you're rolling back a mistake, recovering deleted data, or just exploring how your document evolved. The ability to step back in time gives you tremendous peace of mind, especially when collaborating with others or making complex edits. As a next step, I recommend taking a few minutes to browse through the version history of a document you use regularly, just to get comfortable with the interface. You might even discover an earlier draft you'd forgotten about. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial. If you found it useful, please save this video or bookmark the steps so you can come back to them whenever you need to. I'll see you in the next one.